Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really eye-opening for you. We're diving into the dark corners of the web to expose one of the most dangerous AI tools out there, FraudGPT. Picture this, an AI so powerful that it can write malware, hack accounts, and run scams, all with a few simple commands. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But this is happening right now. First off, what exactly is FraudGPT? Imagine ChatGPT, but tailored for criminals. Unlike your everyday chatbots, FraudGPT is designed specifically for hacking, phishing, and committing fraud. Hackers are shelling out big bucks, hundreds of dollars per month, to access this tool through dark web forums and Telegram groups. And why? Because it makes cybercrime not just easier but frighteningly effective. So, how are hackers actually using FraudGPT? Let's break it down. Phishing on autopilot. This beast generates scam emails so convincing that even cybersecurity experts have trouble spotting them. Malware in seconds. Need a keylogger, trojan, or ransomware? FraudGPT can whip up the code in an instant. Account takeovers. It even provides step-by-step instructions on bypassing security measures, cracking passwords, and stealing bank details. Deepfake scams. This AI can help create fake conversations to trick people into giving up sensitive information. Now, why is this such a huge threat? The barrier to entry for cybercrime has never been lower. You no longer need to be a skilled coder to launch an attack. With FraudGPT, anyone can become a cybercriminal in minutes. Businesses and individuals are losing millions, and the scary part? Experts are warning this is just the beginning. AI-powered hacking is here to stay, and it's only going to get more sophisticated. So, how can you protect yourself? Here are some tips. First, never trust emails or messages asking for personal info, no matter how real they look. Second, enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords to secure your accounts. And third, stay informed. Cybercrime is evolving fast. If you're not paying attention, you could be the next target. Cybersecurity is no joke, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on staying safe in our digital world. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.